My counterpart in Germany, he does his demos like this. He's like, you put it down like a monkey, it's fine, go home. It will work every time. Literally any of this, and it will be 100% fine. It is the nuttiest, most forgiving finish you could ever do. Again, just don't miss a spot, that's it. So anytime you're mixing a two-component product, get this dumped in. This is not a great time to take a smoke break or a bathroom break, or, you know, because the viscosities are physically different, and as this one goes in, it is chemically reacting with this product right now, but it is not fully dispersed. This is a little bit thicker. It goes in and settles to the bottom, and so there's more chemical reactions happening immediately on the bottom than on the top. So shake it when you add it. Don't take 5 minutes off and before you do it. Good shake. And again, nothing in the line can be overshaken, could only be undershaken. The defoamers are completely off the chart. And we don't talk about it a ton. Any two-component product, once shaken and activated, if it sits just a couple of minutes, it will start to relax a little bit and they'll all be a little bit easier to apply. It's not super uncommon because we do ship from Germany to Denver and then around the country, that we can get a little bit of settling to the side of the bucket. And then I don't like the idea of double filtering. I think it slows the product down too much. But on occasion, on a darker floor, you can see a little white fleck here. 999.9 out of 1,000, they'll dissipate. You won't see them once the product's dry, but it can be a little distracting as you're starting to roll it. It's just a little bit of the matting agent that coagulates on the side of the bucket, and it comes out and it disappears. So more than anything, forget everything I said earlier about not wanting to hear the roller, because this product does go on thinner. With power and 96 and all of those, we don't want to hear the roller. With this one, it's fine if you do. My counterpart in Germany, he does his demos like this. He's like, you put it down like a monkey, it's fine, go home. It will work every time. Literally any of this, and it will be 100% fine. It is the nuttiest, most forgiving finish you could ever do. Again, just don't miss a spot, that's it. And that comes in really handy when you're on a crazy paneled floor.